Is right now breaking down from what is objectively speaking a very bearish pattern. And the question everybody's wondering right now is, how low is Bitcoin going to drop? Well, the charts are telling it all, guys. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. And as you can see, Bitcoin is breaking down from this bearish diamond reversal pattern. However, we are still technically trading within the local range, and we are finding support right now at the Casper Crew level around 26,605. This is the level that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord yesterday to take a long from, and I'm currently still in a long from that level. And the question is, like, are we going to hold? Right now, we see some very, very interesting things happening on the chart. Let's take a look at the order flow, and we can actually see that as we came back down to this important low right here, we actually saw a lot of selling pressure coming in. We saw a lot of shorts opening up, thinking price was going to break down. We saw many shorts opening up, and we actually saw these shorts getting absorbed by bigger players looking to push the price back to the upside, right? There were whales down here, and these whales were absorbing the retail traders FOMOing short at the bottom, which, by the way, you should never do, and then looking to push the price back to the upside. So we're seeing that bigger players are actually defending this level, at least for right now. And what we need to do if we want to see higher Bitcoin prices is we need to reclaim the very important zone of right around here, around 27,300. Why is this so important? Because for the past 2 weeks, this has been the fair value of Bitcoin, meaning the market participants have been most willing to buy and sell Bitcoin between 27.3 and about 28.3. And so if we can reclaim 27.3, there's a very high probability that we will make our way back up to these highs. And this was simply just a fake out of the lows. And it's actually very encouraging right now to see a lot of whales defending this very important level of support. Now, by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we gave the short setup from literally the exact top of this move right over here, from about the level of 28,914. And then also yesterday, we gave the level to long from the exact bottom at 26,605. It's not a signals group, guys, but we give very accurate technical analysis. We do 3 live streams every single day, and you will learn a lot. You go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, to take advantage of trading on ByBit with 0% limit fees, click the link in the description and the pinned comment. It's actually a great deal for people who are trading on lower term time frames, like I myself do, trading on the 5 minute, the 1 minute, looking for scalps. Those fees will cut into your profits. Of course, only do this, only sign up to ByBit if you know how to trade. If you do not know how to trade, you will lose absolutely everything you have. So make sure to learn first. Check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com if you are interested in learning how to trade. Now, let's talk about what we can expect for Bitcoin if we lose this very important zone of support. Yes, we are breaking down from the diamond pattern, and the technical target of this diamond pattern is around $24,000. 24K. This is a very key level. And here's what we need to understand right now. If we take a look at the daily time frame and we just zoom out and we see what is happening here on the charts, we can see 2 things. Number one, this is definitely a place where if we are going to get a major pullback, it is going to happen from here. Why? Because this is a major support resistance flip right around here, which we can be expecting between $28,000 and $32,000, a significant pullback. And if we take a look at our oscillator market Cipher B, we can also see that we are indeed printing the very bearish upside down SBF gynecomastia pattern. All right, this is where the momentum waves and the money flow are getting lower as the price continues to get higher to key support, eerily resembling the chest of Sam Bankman-Fried when he hangs upside down to lure Caroline over with his uneven mammary glands. We can see the money flow getting lower, the momentum waves getting lower, the red pepperonis are slightly getting lower as the price is getting higher, which obviously leads to FTX going under, which leads to a massive dump on the Bitcoin price. And so because we are printing these bearish divergences, I am cautiously bullish here because I do feel like we can very easily get another move up if we hold support. But if we don't hold these supports, then we need to be aware that we will come down to this very key zone of support between 25.3 and 24.4. This is so key because this is not only the value area high of the old range, it's also a key support resistance flip at around 25K. It's also the 200-week moving average. And then just below that, we have a daily order block at 24,366. So this green box right here, if we're going to lose our current support, will be the next area that I actually look to long Bitcoin potentially to a new high. But if we don't hold this level, then I am expecting a large move to the downside, first to retest 20K, and then to come back down and test the 16s. Now, a lot of people are saying, Jason, this is very scary, this is very bearish. Look, guys, it depends on how we look at it, right? It depends on how we look at this. As traders, we don't care what the price does. We can long, and we can short, and we can make money regardless of what is happening, right? But as a long-term investor, for me, this, even if we get a move down, and like I said, I'm not saying we're getting moved down, but I'm saying it's possible if we start to lose key supports, it becomes more probable that we see lower levels. That's just how the chart works. I look at this as an opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin on spot because I still hold to my macro bullish sentiment that because of where we are in the 4-year halving cycle and because of the fundamentals and the things we're seeing with the Federal Reserve right now and these banks collapsing and the Fed lending billions of dollars and simultaneously raising rates, that we are primed for the next major bull run. And I look at it as a massive opportunity to accumulate, even if we get a lower low. But these are the key levels we need to be aware at. That is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I pray everybody is very blessed, even if you are not religious. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.